The target project is ongoing and moving forward. Mathilde wants to monitor project progress and to be efficient in her project resource management and communication. Not having much time and energy to manage each stakeholder one by one, Mathilde wants to involve everyone in an individual and regular updating approach through SuitePro-G. Whether through the mobile version, the Microsoft Teams connector, or simply through her computer, Mathilde benefits from a pragmatic tool that allows her to monitor project progress in real time. Indeed, using a collaborative Kanban board, SuitePro-G offers a smart progress management update tool to share with the team. Bastien, the business expert, automatically received an email alert informing him that one of his tasks is overdue. Despite all his goodwill, Bastien realizes that he will not have enough time to complete the tasks and therefore proposes through Microsoft Teams a new targeted date. Mathilde checks the impact of his modification on the schedule and decides to produce the project flash report to update her communication on the project progress. Thanks to this flash report, she communicates on project focal points in standardized way with all project stakeholders. The D-Day of the next steering committee, key project data are shared and can be approved by executive's program manager. With SuitePro-G, you can get reliable, real-time information on the project progress and stay connected with your team. Mathilde and Pierre are relaxed. They are efficient in the management of the target project, professional in their team coordination and communication. They do not need to spend hours reporting on project progress. With SuitePro-G, steer your project in the right direction.